Welcome to Lab 7. Okay, so this week what we're going to do is we are going to take that mock-up that we made last week where it was just a still image that we used that grid system, and we're going to create a web page out of it. But when we do that, we're going to use Bootstrap. And Bootstrap is more or less just a framework that has all these pre-built classes inside of it that you just link your site to. And then when you use those classes, it will automatically treat it that way, okay? But more or less what it is, it's just meant as a grid system that it puts your content into blocks. And you can choose how many blocks wide it can be. And the reason for that is that I'm sure if you've ever been on a phone, right? You might look on a web page here, and then you'll see like a paragraph here and then a paragraph here, okay? But if you turn it this way, it'll suddenly be a paragraph here and a paragraph here. Basically, the blocks can shift, and they can also scale bigger and smaller. Where if you look on a website here, there might be one paragraph, but if you were to go on the computer, it would be like 3 paragraphs. So depending on the position of the browser and stuff, it will change the scaling of the blocks. And that's really the whole thing that we're going to do. Now, this can be a little bit tricky. In some ways, I think it's easier than manually writing it. But you do have to kind of follow a specific kind of set process. So just make sure you follow it exactly as possible. All right.